Guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll share a little bit about these new screen protectors we have available on in our store. The link should be in the description below. Also, I'll be installing one of these screen protectors to your specific iPhone model. Here's the array of different models that we carry currently. You can find this on our website for any of these models. So let's take a look here. First, we see that this screen protector has a 9H surface hardness. And what 9H surface hardness means is that, or rather what 9H means is 9H comes from the scale or the spectrum that rates the hardness of a pencil. So 9H would be on the furthest right, or the extreme hardest pencil rating. And what this means to your screen protector is that your screen protector will not scratch from a pencil that is rated at 9H. This could be also translated to pocket items such as keys, paper clips, coins, stuff like that. So this provides a good shielding from and is scratch resistant to many sharp items. Next, we have a oleophobic coating. What this also means is that this reduces fingerprint smudging, oils, stuff like that. 2.5D curved edge. This is mainly an aesthetic part of the screen, which means that the perimeter of the screen will have a curved edge so that your finger will not catch on it and you will not cut yourself. Let's take a look inside the screen protector packaging. When you open it up, first you have instructions here, and you have a little cleaning kit and installation kit. First thing in this kit is a sort of looks like a pick or a whatever you want to call it. This here serves two functions that I can think of. First is you can use this to pry up your current screen protector that is cracked. If you don't really have fingernails, you can use this to pry that up. Also, in the end of the screen installation process, use this to push out air bubbles that's under your screen protector. Next, we have isopropyl alcohol wipes to clean the surface of your screen. We have a microfiber to dry the surface of your screen, and a dust absorber that you can use to peel this absorber, and it'll stick it to the screen, peel it up, and it'll lift up any dust left on the screen. And so this is the first part of the video. The next part of the video, whichever iPhone model you have selected or clicked for this video, we'll install that screen protector for your specific model. Alright, so open up your packaging. And first what we'll do is clean the surface of the screen. Using these isopropyl alcohol wipes. Let's go ahead and get rid of oils, grease, and dust. Alright, now use the microfiber to dry the screen. And just the alcohol and the microfiber does a pretty good job, but if you're still seeing dust, you can get one of these dust absorbers. Stick it onto your screen and peel it up with any remaining dust. So now to the screen protector. We have two sides to it. We have a step A side and a step B side. So first you'd want to peel the step A side, which is the side that's going to be coming in contact with the screen. After you can go ahead and maybe run your microfiber again if dust has settled by now, but you'd want to do this in a quick fashion. So before I do it, I'll explain what I'll be doing. I'll peel this side, the step A side of the screen protector, and aligning the screen protector with the top microphone cutout and the home button cutout. As long as you align both of these, the top and the bottom, into their proper cutouts, the screen will be aligned and centered. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So that is centered pretty good. Also, be sure to, this makes it a lot easier if you don't have any screen protector on your phone when you're doing this job, so that you get a nice flush access to the screen. Like so. And if you have any remaining bubbles on your screen, you can use this card to pull them out. If this card is not pulling it out, a little hack I'll show you guys is, let's say for instance we got a bubble somewhere on the screen on one of these sides. What you would do is come to the corner or the edge of the screen that's closest to that bubble. You'd lift the screen up with this card or something of this size, and just guide the bubble out once you give it some room to push itself out of there. And there you have it, guys. Installation for an iPhone 7. Once again, the link is in the description for these screen protectors. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.